then I plant potatoes that I have saved from last year that are all wrinkly and have some eyes growing off of them, or do I need to cut them to scab them over? They've been sitting in my basement closet since last year's harvest. So you can, and we've all seen this. What was funny?
I saw this meme, and it was like this root-looking vegetable, and then it was a drawn picture of like this root-looking vegetable man, and it said, it's like, where's the soil? And then it's like that one potato that you find months later in the back of your pantry. You know how like all
it's
the
got
roots,
like 9 foot of
all the roots,
growth.
yeah. So anyway, that made me think of this.
So yes, you can go ahead and plant these potatoes, even if they're shriveled up. If they are less than the size of a medium-sized chicken egg, don't cut any of the roots off. Don't cut any of the eyes off. Plant the unit as a whole in the ground and walk away. Especially if these potatoes are drying or wrinkling in texture, and it's not like a potato that you would buy from a seed supplier, because they're starting to dehydrate. They're starting to change their material inside for reproduction. That's what happens. The starch is changed and all this. So go ahead and plant them. We all have these. There's nothing wrong with planting store-bought potatoes that you are going to grow for edible consumption for your family that are sprouting. It's a good sign if you buy potatoes and a week later you start to see the potatoes sprouting in your kitchen, because you know that the limited amount of chemicals or no chemicals were put on them because they are growing. Some potatoes don't sprout, so kind of different.
And some potatoes, you just got to look at them and they sprout.
Right.
Yeah.